Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to solve two-step equations. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve them easily. Let's get started. Example number 1. 6x minus 2 equals 10. The first step to solving a two-step equation is to undo addition or subtraction by applying the opposite operation. So, if we look at the equation, we can see that there is subtraction. And on the side with the x, they are subtracting 2. So we want to do the opposite operation of that. And the opposite of subtracting 2 is adding 2. We're going to apply that on both sides of the equal sign. If we focus on the left, we have a negative 2 plus positive 2. Since those are opposite numbers, they will cancel out and equal 0, which leaves me with 6x on the left side. If I focus on the right side, I have 10 plus 2, and 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Moving on step 2. Undo multiplication or division by applying the opposite operation. In this one, we have a number in front of the variable. This is called a coefficient. A coefficient is a number being multiplied by a variable. So, we want to do the opposite of multiplying by 6, which is dividing by 6. That fraction bar in the middle means division. If we focus on the left side, we have 6x divided by 6, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that will leave us with x. If we focus on the right side, we have 12 divided by 6, and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So we have our solution, x is equal to 2. Example number 2. T over negative 5 plus 8 is equal to 10. Step 1. Undo addition or subtraction by applying the opposite operation. In this one, we can see that we have a plus 8, and the opposite of a plus 8 is a minus 8. We're going to do that to both sides of the equal sign. If we focus on the left, positive 8 minus 8 cancels out, so we're left with t over negative 5. On the right side, we have 10 minus 8, and 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. This moves us on step number 2. Undo multiplication or division by applying the opposite operation. If you remember from the last one, the fraction bar means division, so we're dividing t by negative 5. What's the opposite of dividing by negative 5? Multiplying by negative 5. If we focus on the left, since those are opposite numbers, they will cancel out and equal 0. We also want to notice that in front of the t, there is an invisible number, and that invisible number is a 1. If we focus on the right side, 2 times negative 5 is equal to negative 10. And we have our solution, t is equal to negative 10. And there you have it, how to solve two-step equations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.